What is the deal, people? Today, in this video, we're going to do something that's never been done before in this house. And that's play hide and go seek with a cat. That's right, it's going to be human versus animal to see who is the better hide and go seeker. Now, the rules are very simple. Each player is going to count to 10 while the other player goes and hides. Now, the part where it gets complicated is how I'm going to figure out how the cat counted to 10. Because it can't, actually talk. That's the hard part. But the other hard part is seeking. Hopefully the cat will know to seek me, because since there's only 2 players in this, there is going to be a 15-minute time limit. After that, the person who cannot find you is going to come out and reveal where their hiding spot was. Now, I do have a sponsor in this video, but you're going to find them out later on in the video. Now, the other rule that I forget to mention is that I can't mention my cat's name, Shazam! Oh man, one of these days that's going to work. I bet you that's going to work one of these days. I'm telling you. But yeah, my cat's name is Shazam. I'm not allowed to say that while I'm looking for the cat because it's going to naturally come out. Now, the cat has already went and gone and hide, so we can skip the 10 seconds process. And now, it is time for the epic match of cat versus man. Hide and go seek. Stay tuned. Air. You breathe it, I breathe it. It's air, and it's free. Alright, first room to check is the guest room. Get ready, cats. You're about to see why man is superior at hiding and seeking. Alright. Is the cat under the bed? I don't think so. I don't see it. And can't use a flashlight. You know what the cat can see in the dark. Alright. No. Huh. I don't know where my cat is. I think I might have lost my cat. I've checked all the possible rooms right now. Guest room, bedroom, check the bathroom. The cat's gotta be somewhere. Probably just in the place I'm not looking at. What? Oh, I think I hear it. I think I hear the kitty. Alright, so there's one place that I still haven't checked yet. And that's the closet. Cat loves to go in it. I don't know how it would have got in it, seeing its clothes and everything, but it loves to go in it, so. Man wins. Where's the camera there? This round. Oh, you're being a poor sport, huh? Well, guess what? Now it's your turn to find me.